Let's talk about La Cafetière Barcelona Contemporary Ceramic French Pressed Coffee Maker, 900 ml 1.5 pints 6 cups retro blue. Enjoy fresh French press coffee that's delicious, silky smooth and brewed in sleek style with this gorgeous retro blue cafeteria. Part of La Cafeteria's mix and match Barcelona range, retro colors and styles, refashioned into the newest must-haves for modern homes. With its 900 ml 1 pint 6 cup capacity, it's made for modern coffee sessions from early starts to laid-back lunches with friends. Made of sturdy ceramic, and styled with the Barcelona collection's distinctive curves, it's the perfect centerpiece for any table. It's easy to clean, dishwasher safe, and comes packaged in a La Cafeteria gift box, making it a wonderful present for coffee lovers. Really nice looking, and that's it. It does not filter the coffee, the plunger simply sinks through the grounds.